What happens when friends face a crisis? I am Kuyen, a little black cat living near a small family below the mountain. My days are filled with fun. I play with Black, the duckling, and Kiddo, the golden retriever. One sunny day, we kicked a ball in the backyard. Suddenly, Kiddo collapsed. I felt scared and rushed to him. Black quacked loudly, and together we nudged Kiddo gently. We used all our strength to guide him back to the house. The family noticed and took care of him for days. We sat by him as he rested. Slowly, Kiddo started to smile again. I felt so happy when he laughed. Friendship is strong.